Hello everyone, let's solve problem 6, Subarray with given sum. Let's understand the problem statement. You will be given a sum S. Figure out the continuous subarray where the element sum is equal to given S. So if you see, if you start from index 1 to 3, the element sum which is equal to 12, so which is equal to S. So return the start index and the end index. So here in the problem statement, the index number starting from 1, so we need to return start index plus 1 and end index plus 1. So the expected output is 2 comma 4. So which is the problem is same as continuous subarray sum from LeetCode. So it is almost equal. It's a sliding window pattern. Let's understand how to solve this. So you pick up any sliding window problem, you will come up with two pointers. One is left, another one is right. The right pointer is going to increase the size of the window. Left pointer is going to decrease the size of the window. So we also calculate the current window sum. So that's why I just have a current window sum as 0. So I'm going to add first element to the current window. As we added element 1, add the same number to current window sum. Now the current window sum becomes 1. Now increment the right pointer, add the second element to the current window sum. So as we added second element, so the current window sum becomes 3. Now again increment the right pointer, add the third element to the current window. As we added element 3 to the current window, so the current window sum becomes 6. Now again incremented right pointer, add the fourth element which is having 7. So add 7 to the current window sum. Now current window sum becomes 13. Now you see my current window size is 4 and my current window sum is greater than expected sum, so that we need to decrease the window. So for that, increment the left pointer, remove the first element from the current window. As we removed element 1, subtract it from current window sum. Now our current window sum is going to be 12. As the current window sum is equal to expected sum, return left plus 1 and right plus 1, which is going to be 2 comma 4. That's it. So the time complexity is linear because we are traversing from index 0 to n minus 1. In worst case, each and every element can be visited twice. One time visited by right pointer, one time visited by left pointer. The space complexity is constant because we are not using any additional space. Only two auxiliary variables, left, right, and one more current window sum. So hope let's move on to the solution. But before moving on to the solution, if you really like the explanation, please click on like button, share your thoughts through comments for a higher visibility. And there are a couple of edge cases here at times, right? So your current window sum, so it means the sum, you may find multiple continuous subarrays for a given sum. If you see index 0 to 4 returns 15, even from index 4 to index 3 to 5 also returns 15. In such cases, return the first occurrence of continuous subarray, that is index 0 to index 4. So as we return start index plus 1 and index plus 1, the expected output is 1 comma 5. So so what I'm saying, just take left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 0 and current window sum which is also 0 and is expecting to return result in the form of array list. So I'll just take it as a result, new array list, then right. So I just move on while right less than n, and each and every time we are incrementing the window so that add the result to the current window sum. So current window sum is equal to current window sum plus ARR of right. Now see, if your left is less than right, it means you have a current window and the current window sum is greater than given sum. In such cases, decrement the left value from the current window sum. So minus ARR of left, then increment the left pointer. So whenever you find, if you find your current sum, current window sum, which is equal to actual sum, in such cases you just return result dot add of left plus 1 and result dot add of right plus 1, then return result. If this is not the case, just increment the current window, just proceed further. So if you see, if you find a exact sum, so you will return a start index and end index from here. Otherwise, what you do, so you just need to return -1. In such cases, you just add -1 and return result, because the problem statement says if there is no continuous subarray, return -1. So let's compile it. Let's submit it. So you can also find the problem statement in the description, so please click on the statement, submit your solution, enjoy the day. So let's see the result. So thanks for watching, please do subscribe and share. That's it.